In the town of Lopburi in Thailand, there are monkeys everywhere. They run around the streets. They climb on cars, houses, and other buildings. They can go anywhere they want to, and they get into everything. The monkeys in this town are very playful, and sometimes they cause a lot of trouble. But what about the people of Lopburi? How do they feel about these mischievous little animals? The truth is that the people of Lopburi are not too concerned about the trouble caused by the monkeys. Of course, they know that the monkeys are troublemakers. They also know that sometimes they can make life difficult. It's not always fun when they sit on people's cars, run everywhere and take food. However, the people of Lopburi also know that it's not just the monkeys. They know that the people of the town also cause the problem. They allow the monkeys to run around the streets. They allow them to cause trouble. They don't try to stop the monkeys. And once a year, the people of Lopburi do even more. They have a monkey party. They have a banquet with lots of food for the monkeys. But why do they have this big monkey party? Why do they present the monkeys with a banquet? The reason involves legend and tradition. Most people in Thailand are Buddhists, and for many of them, monkeys are very important animals. Monkeys appear in many Thai stories and legends. Because of one special story, some Thai people consider monkeys to be heroes. In Thailand, there is a famous old legend about a monkey hero called Hanuman. In the story, a demon takes the god Rama's wife. The monkey Hanuman helps to save Rama's wife. Because of this, Hanuman becomes a hero. Due to the legend of Hanuman and Buddhist traditions, many people in Thailand are especially kind to monkeys today. This kindness is not just limited to allowing monkeys to do anything they wish. Monkeys also get special food often, not just at festivals. Every day of the year, people bring food for the monkeys to shrines. These people think it's good karma to give them food. The people also think that it will bring them good luck. With this special treatment, the monkeys of Lopburi are getting bigger and bigger all the time. The time for the yearly monkey party finally arrives. It's a time when the community of Lopburi can show the monkeys just how much they like them. They always give the monkeys a lot of special food at this time. But this year, there's a particularly special treat. The festival organizers are giving the monkeys a whole cake. An organizer of the event explains the banquet and the Buddhist traditions. He says, every year there are a lot of people who come and help with the monkey banquet. We want people to help offer food to the monkeys. This is because these monkeys are part of our local Buddhist tradition. What about this year's cake? Well, it's a very big one, and a lot of people help to make it. The festival organizer explains, this year we've made a cake that is 4 meters long for the monkey banquet. 50 people worked to make this cake. We all wanted to find out if the monkeys liked the cake. Will the monkeys like the cake? Will they want to eat it all? At last, the festival organizers give the monkeys the cake. They don't just like the cake, they love it. The people in Lopburi are very happy, and this year's monkey party is a big success. Maybe the people in Lopburi will receive good karma because they've treated the monkeys well and given them this beautiful cake. Maybe they won't. Either way, the people of this Thai town did learn one thing. If you want to have a great party for monkeys, give them cake.